What's good, YouTube? So we back with another video here. I think on maybe the last video or the video before that, I got a request saying they wanted to see the outside of the car. So just starting off doing a quick walk around of the car, what it looks like right now. Car's pretty dirty. It's been about 2 weeks since I washed it. I haven't washed it since before I put the new brakes on. So I really did that just for reasons to see the brake dust, see the amount of buildup in 2 weeks, which is pretty significant. I don't know if you guys can see it there, but yeah, it's pretty rough too. It's not as bad, but it comes off, but definitely gonna need some like Purple Power or something like that to take them off. But these are what the DBA rotors look like. Can't really see the pads because they're in there, but at least that's what the rotors look like on the car. There's the fronts and here's the back ones. But yeah, this is what the car looks like right now. We're gonna go for a little POV ride real quick. Typical stuff. I'm doing lawn work today and I need some more fertilizer, some shade seed as well for my grass. So about to just go pick that up real quick and then get back home, do some work, and then probably go for another ride later. We're gonna go meet up with some friends. So definitely got some videos coming. Stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, leave a comment below, let me know what you think. Somebody asked to see this last video, so this is what I'm doing. When you guys let me know what y'all want to see, I'll try to do it for y'all. You know what I'm saying? So don't do nothing with my license. I'm gonna try to blur that out. Just gotta get nice with that edit and whatnot. But yeah, let's get in the car, let's go for a little ride. Catch y'all. What's good, YouTube? So we back in the whip now. It's a pretty nice day out. It's not hot, but it's kind of windy. It's not like cold or anything, but it's a good day to be out. Good driving day. This is kind of a little bumpy area, so I hope the camera stays leveled out. Stabilization is good. Got some bird poop on the window. I didn't even really see until I got out to record the outside, and so I definitely got to wash the car soon. So we'll probably end up doing that tomorrow. Picking up some Purple Power as well to spray on the rims to help get some of this brake dust off because it's been so long. Seems like a downside with these pads are definitely is dust and the type of dust it creates. I'll definitely do a review on that real soon about the pads and the rotors. They're great. Don't get me wrong, I would recommend these to everybody, just telling you that now, but it seems like you gotta be ready for that maintenance, extra maintenance with the brake dust, so we're gonna be taking care of that tomorrow probably, if it's a nice day out. Seems like it's supposed to rain today too. That's another reason why I don't want to do it today, because it's kind of be a waste. So let's see if it rains or not. This slow truck behind us though. We're not supposed to cross double yellow lines, but I know some of you guys get the, that reckless thought to cross it sometimes. Try to make a couple POVs, maybe less talking. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all like the talking, and y'all rather not hear talking? Let me know. I think you'll probably hear the car more with less talking for sure, but I don't know if people like the commentary. FedEx always got some parts. Don't do that at home, kids. You gotta have some hair on your chest to make that left turn. got in front of me, I would have been able to make that cut in front of that Audi. Now everybody's stuck behind it. You wanted to block this cutoff and hold it to just get onto the right lane. That's crazy. At me too. He had a big beard, Amish beard. That right side open right there. Certainly look cute. I say that. Toyota was moving though. Why? Yeah, I was about to say, look at him. I hate people like that. Like, why are you going back and forth between lanes for no reason? You had all that space in front of you at first. You still had all that space in front of you afterwards. Let's get in right here behind this guy, man. Yeah, go ahead, get out the lane for big guy. You don't gotta worry though. It's like we can't go nowhere now. Toyota playing with it. Like, what's the point? Like, he about to hop back in this lane if I give him a chance. And two wheels shaking on the left side, my guy. Be careful. Look over your shoulder when y'all driving, like physically really like turn your head and look over your shoulder? I do. Man, buddy got a nice Acura right here. I don't know if y'all can see in the picture. This camera out nice. Panels not buttoned down though. I miss my cut looking at him. I like that paved highway sometimes, but sometimes it makes you think that there's something wrong with your car too. I don't know if that ever happens to you guys. Definitely messes with me. So I wanted to say post in this video because I don't know if I mentioned in the last video. After this video, I'm gonna post the tips on how to drive manual. I have a video recorded. Pretty much, it's like how to drive a manual car.
Hazard reported ahead.
Thanks, Waze. It's like how to drive a manual car, but also like just like kind of tips, you know. I've given you a little, showing you a little bit whatnot, but I'll probably name it, you know, tips on how to drive manual cars, something like that, just to, you know, title wise. Because it's a little bit vague, but you know, when you guys watch it, you'll definitely get a hint of what I'm saying. Because it seemed like in my downshifting videos, you know, it would have been beneficial as well to maybe have that manual video first or something. So I'll drop that, you know, a little tips, and it may be seeing the response to that. If it, you know, if they want a more in-depth, detailed video, if people want more detailed, I definitely could record a, you know, a more detailed one. Showing any specifics that I see people talking about. Yeah, what's up though? I'm trying to turn, that's what the traffic is. And everybody just watching them. Accident. so we gotta get over. Need to get this over. Come with this big Land Rover blocking visibility. I'm just getting this lane right here because buddy right here, I feel like he has to get over too, and he's gonna wait till the last second. I can't rely on that. So we're going to a different Ace this time. The Ace by my crib, in my town. It's, I don't know. I don't feel like they know the best lawn stuff. So I took a little video of my lawn. I'm going to show the guy there. This Ace, last time I've been here to this one, this guy was very knowledgeable on what he was talking about. Even though I didn't really do what he said, he had me believing, you know? So that's why I'm going back here today. Seems like traffic's gonna suck, so we're gonna turn this into a second video on the road on the way back. So I'll catch you on the next one. It's gonna be just another POV video, but like I said, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, you know, let me know what you think. Please comment down below. You know, let me know what you guys think. You know what I mean? I love hearing you guys' opinions or what you guys might want to see. So yeah, hit that down below. But yeah, stay tuned for the next one. POVs is coming more daily. So I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Here's my guy. This is the one. Sorry, Susan. I didn't mean to scare you or nothing.